When you say mentors, if you're looking for people, I'm just going to give you all the greatest entrepreneurs in the world, because I'm going to say, I would have liked to have known Steve Jobs better, and I love Elon Musk, and I would have loved Edison, and I would have loved Henry Ford, and all the people who are trying new things everybody thought was crazy, and now everybody lives this incredible life because of those people. And I think those are the mentors that I really look up to and have a lot of respect for. And then maybe the political mentors would probably be George Washington, Gorbachev, and Deng Xiaoping. Because what the three of them did was they gave away personal political power for their country to thrive. And it worked in all three cases. For a relatively short time with Russia, for a very long time with China, and until now with the US. So I would say politically those three, the ones who are willing to give up their own power in order for their countries to thrive.